Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna do a walkthrough of our garden. It's been raining a lot. This is our random plot in the front. We have mint over there. That's basil that we just have. It's old. That's just for the bees. Some oregano there. Our onions are coming up. The lettuce plot that we had on that side got kind of eaten by bugs. Our cucumbers are doing pretty well. The sun just came up, so it's wilting a little. We're gonna water in a little bit. So we have our lettuce here, which looks like it's ready to harvest. We have some beans, some mizuna, some tomatoes in the back, our rosemary. We have our tamarillo plant growing over there. We think our tomatoes are a little bit too close together. We're just gonna let it go. This is our purple hibiscus. It's kind of eaten by the bugs, but it's still growing. This is the other plot that we made. So we have the tomato plants there. Lettuce is coming up. That's Chinese lettuce in the middle, and kale. This plot looks like it's doing pretty well. You can see the grass is green now. It's been raining, and then the dew in the morning. So that means more mowing. So this plot is our bok choy tomato plant there, and this is onions and garlic coming up. Our bok choy there. Our lettuce, we're going to harvest this whole row today. Mustard cabbage, cilantro, our onions. That plant's a giant carrot that we're letting grow just for the beans. So our peppers are like our Hawaiian chili pepper, and then there's a habanero over here. Plant some lettuce there, more tomatoes. Probably gonna have to move these because it's growing into our bell pepper plant. And more lettuce. Gonna harvest these big heads today. More lettuce. We'll be transplanting these to the areas that we pull out. More bok choy. This is daikon over here. Kale. The Chinese lettuce. And more kale. So our vegetables are doing pretty good. Oh, check this out. The daikon is looking pretty good. Can't wait to harvest those. Well, looks like we're gonna have to do a lot of mowing. Gonna be doing that today and painting our deck. So that's a quick walkthrough of our garden this Saturday morning. Thanks for watching, and aloha.